Okay, let's try and apply this completing the square process to our non-monic version. Recall again, non-monic means that the leading coefficient is not 1. Okay, so it can be 2, 3, anything you can think of. So let's try and do this. So the issue is of course, the non-monic nature of this equation. So we need to make it a monic equation. The way that we're going to do that is we are going to divide every term by 2. Alright, so what that's going to lead to is a new equation that looks like this. X squared plus 3 on 2x plus a half is equal to 0. Alright, take a bit of time to think about why these two equations, the top one and the second line, are equivalent to each other. Alright, so from there we're going to apply our same strategies. So we're going to do x squared plus 3 on 2x. I'm going to take this guy over to this side of the equal sign. That's going to equal minus 1/2. And we're going to apply the same step here. So this time it is to halve this. All right, when you do that, use your calculator if you want, but half of 3 on 2 is 3 on 4. And then when we square that, we get 9 on 16. All right, so we're going to add 9 on 16 to both sides. All right, and what that's going to result in over this side is x plus, it's always this half value, so 3 on 4 squared. And again, you would use your calculator here. This is minus 8 on 16 plus 9, so this is 1 on 16. Then we do our square root, and we end up with x plus 3 on 4. And when you take the square root of 1 on 16, you get plus or minus 1/4. So when we take 3/4 from both sides, we end up with x is equal to, it'll be minus 3/4 plus or minus 1/4. Alright, so we'll do the plus version first. It's negative 3 plus 1, which is negative 2 over 4, which is negative 1/2. Right, do these with your calculator to be sure. And then the subtraction, we've got minus 3 take 1, which is minus 4 over 4, which equals minus 1. So we have two solutions here of minus 1/2 and minus 1.